Worksheet 4.5 here. We want to graph the following straight lines, we know they're all straight lines to make it easier, by first finding our x and our y-intercept. So we find our y-intercept by setting x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 3. We find our x-intercept by setting y to 0. So here, x when y is 0, x is equal to minus 3 here. So here, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3. Here's our minus 3. 1, 2, 3 here. We know that these 2 points here are on our line there. For our next line, we have y is equal to x minus 2. So if we set x to 0, y will be minus 2. So here, minus 1, minus 2, we've plot this point here. When when y is equal to 0, x will be here is equal to 2. 1, 2. So 2, we know our line goes through both of these points and continues on. For number 3, so to find our y-intercept, we set x when x is 0, y is 1. And when y is 0, x is here. Here 2x is equal to minus 1, so here minus a half here. So we draw this one in, our y is 1, 1, 1, and so here's minus 1, and here's minus a half. So we've got here minus a half and 1, and we draw our line in. So x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. Here, so here we've got 5 and 5, and we draw our line in. So here we find our y-intercept, x setting x is equal to 0, y here is equal to 2. When y is equal to 0, x is also equal to 2 here. So here we've got 2 and 2, and we draw our line in. So for this next part, all we want to do is find our x and y intercepts here. So here if we said, okay, we can rearrange, or here, we've set x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. When y is equal to 0, we've got 2x plus 0 minus 1. Here, 2x is equal to, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to a half. So our x-intercept is at x equal to a half here. For our second equation, when we set x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4. And same, if we set our y is equal to 0, we have 0 equals x squared minus 4. So x squared is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2 here. So we're going to have two intercepts at plus 2 and at minus 2. We write x is equal to minus 2 and plus 2 that way as well. So for our third one here, we have y is equal to x cubed. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Here, when y is equal to 0, our x cubed is equal to 0, so x is also equal to 0 here. So continuing on here, we'll drag this down. So our first one here, y is equal to 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. So our first step here, we're going to split this up, so we say, well, 2x plus 3, x minus 4 here. So 2x squared plus 3x minus 8x gives us 5x minus 12. So here, when x is equal to 0, our y-intercept here is equal to minus 12. And now we look here, we've got two solutions for our x-intercepts here. So here we either say, well, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0 here. 2x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 on 2, and here x is equal to 4. So there's our 2 points there. Okay, so for number 5, here we know, well, we could split this out here. We're going to say y is equal to, here we can multiply it through. So if we've got x here, x squared minus 3x plus 2x gives us minus x. Here, minus 6. And we multiply our x through here, x cubed minus x squared minus 6x. They're all values of x through here. So when x is equal to 0, our y-intercept is equal to 0. And looking here for our x-intercept, we have 3 values here. So when we could have x is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. All of these will result in a y value being 0. So here x is equal to minus 2, and here x minus 3 equals 0, so x is equal to 3. So our x-intercept is at minus 2, 0, and 3 here. So for number 6, here, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 9. So when, for our y-intercept, x is equal to 0, so y squared is equal to 9. So our y-intercept here is our plus and minus 3. For our x-intercept, we're saying, well, x squared is equal to 9, so it's going to be the same thing. X is plus or minus 3 here.